Good morning, dear Goinkans. Hope you all are doing well. Take out your EVS textbook and open page number 111. This video lesson is in context with chapter 23 of your EVS textbook, Garbage and its Disposal. Today, let's read about types of waste. There are mainly two types of wastes: biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste. Biodegradable waste. Biodegradable wastes are such waste materials that decompose easily by the action of microbes and become the part of soil. These kinds of wastes are eco-friendly. For example, waste food, paper, leaves, grass, and flowers. Compositing is the method in which domestic wastes are dumped into a pit dug in the ground. This waste then decomposes by the action of microbes and gets converted into manure. Non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable wastes are such waste materials that do not decompose by the action of microbes and do not become part of the soil. These kinds of wastes are not eco-friendly and create pollution in the environment. For example, plastic, glass, tin cans, etc. Waste disposal. Waste disposal is the method that is employed to destroy or recycle unused, old, or unwanted domestic, agricultural, medical, or industrial waste. There are mainly 5 types of waste which are all commonly found around the house. These include liquid waste, solid waste, organic waste, recyclable waste, and hazardous waste. Solid waste. Garbage arising from human or animal activities that is abandoned as unwanted and useless is referred as solid waste. Generally, it is generated from industrial, residential, and commercial activities in a given area and may be handled in a variety of ways. Solid waste disposal management is usually referred to the process of collecting and treating solid wastes. Improper disposal of municipal solid waste can create unsanitary conditions, and these conditions in turn lead to spread of many deadly diseases and pollution of the environment. Being a responsible citizen, we must keep our surroundings clean. We must pick up all the waste we create and put them in a dustbin. Sweepers collect this garbage from dustbins and dump it in closed garbage bins. Municipality trucks carry this garbage away from our city. The blue and green dustbins provided by municipality in different areas are meant to segregate 2 different kinds of wastes. The green is meant for biodegradable waste and the blue bins are meant for non-biodegradable wastes. This is all for today.